Now, we don't sell many vans here, but when we do, we only sell the best. This beautiful example from every angle is a Ford Transit Custom MSRT. 2017, 17 registration with 30,000 miles on in the automatic in this beautiful performance blue, my favourite colour. Today with the live pricing, this van is 33,990. There's no VAT on this, so that's all you pay, and that is absolutely fantastic because they're a very special van. They're not normal, they're far from it. They look the part, the drive's superb, and the automatic is absolutely effortless. Now the MSRT, as you can see very clearly, it's a very aggressive, top of the range, limited run, superb truck. LED daytime running lights at the bottom, the xenon headlights. You've got this one has the carbon effect bonnet protector on it. The huge MSRT front bumpers with the grills and different air breathers on there. This one's got a £2,000 Clifford alarm on it as well, which is quite a good thing because these vans are tremendous, but at least you want to protect it from people that want to take it away from you. You've then got the 18-inch upgraded OZ wheels, OZ racing wheels in satin black, the full extension arch kit, front and rear, all the colour-coded sides, and then you've got that bottom section, which is the MSRT, just looks and finishes the side of that car, the van, just tremendously well. But then you've got the full leather interior with the blue stitching, bucket-style seating, armrest in there, satellite navigation. This one's got the dash cam built in as well on the windscreen there. Bluetooth, air conditioning, just stunning, absolutely fabulous. I'll show you the steering wheel in a few seconds. Obviously you've got the sun protection glass, and then you have 3 seats in the back. So it's a brilliant van for your friends, for your family, if you've got bikes, quads, whatever it is. Look at the back seats, the condition is brilliant, 30,000 miles on, full service history, the MSRT embossed into the seat. The sliding windows on both sides, so these windows slide and go back as well, so it gives you a bit more of breathing space. Mud flaps front and rear. You've then got the twin exhaust pipes, reversing camera system, and a massive boot space. What can you get in there? It's all been lined out already, so this has all been done, but you can see it hasn't been used as a day-to-day user. It's not been a plumber's or a builder's truck. It's just been a good family van, really. Someone's really cherished it and looked after it every single day, and you can see that quite clearly. There's no dents or scratches on the car. All the wheels are in great condition. The rear valance, as you can see, is huge, but again, quite low down to the ground, so it has that aggressive, sporty look. Rear parking sensors, the top lip spoiler at the top there. But it's like brand new, it's perfect. Such a well looked after vehicle. Again, from this side, grab handles to get in and out of. Brilliant. Obviously, with it being a Transit, you're high up. You've got the MSRT steering wheel with the blue sections in there. It's dead thick and padded as well. All the MSRT dials, speed dials there. How nice is this? It's absolutely gorgeous. You've got heated seats, driver and passenger. The limited edition mats in there, but the condition's been very well looked after. Doesn't smell funny, doesn't look funny. It's just a very good colour MSRT, which you can't get. It's quite hard to get older vans at the minute. Remember, they come with a plaque. The limited edition MSRT, this one's number 1020, signed off. Great opportunity to own a fabulous truck. 33,990, no VAT on it, in a tremendous condition with full service history, and in my opinion, in one of the best colours. My name's Joe, my name and number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, bye bye now.